Hello champs, this is Meghna making you the video, and in today's session we are going to see about tomato Solanum lycopersicum with the chromosome number of 26 similar to chili, and let's keep going. So the habitat is the place at which the plant thrive or at which the plant reside. The habitat of tomato is that tropical region. And while moving to the habit, it is actually a annual herb and a bisexual plant in which the male and female are present in the same flower. And it would have two type of growth which might be determinate or indeterminate one. Indeterminate is a continuous growth which ends with a vegetative bud, which is nothing but the leaf. But determinate growth is that somewhat which is determined, so it would end with the flower. So could you guess this plant is determinate or indeterminate one? Yes, this is an indeterminate growth because the tip, that is the apical portion, ends with the vegetative bud, which is nothing but the leaf. Then next let's move to the root. It would have a taproot system and it belonged to a Solanaceae family. So moreover, all the members of Poaceae grasses would have a fibrous or the adventitious root, and others like Solanaceae and Fabaceae would have taproot system. So just correlate the root system with the family. And then while moving to the stem, so just look at the stem. It would have some fine hairs. It is an angular stem, hollow in nature, and it is stout. And while moving to the leaves are arranged in an opposite manner, which is short stalks. Just observe the diagram with my oral recitation. So the leaves are arranged in a alternate manner, and they would have a short stack, and the leaves are unequal in nature. Okay, then root, stem, leaf. While moving to the inflorescence, the cymose type of inflorescence is seen. Inflorescence is nothing but the arrangement of flowers, so they occur in bunch or bulk. You have you noticed that the tomatoes are born near by near, that is the flowers occur in bunch. And while moving to the flowers, calyx is 5, which is campanulate bell shape, and corolla is also 5, that is corolla is something but the petals and calyx is something but the sepal. And this corolla is gamosepalous, which is united one, and the male is 5, and which opens at the tip of the flower. And this is a general phenomenon, and they haven't mentioned anything about the gynoecium, that is female portion. And let's move to the fruit. The fruit is actually a berry. It is a true berry, and in which the seeds are embedded in it. Embedded is that it is fixed in it, and the color of seeds is that light brown, and the shape might range from elliptical to round. And while moving to the economic part is that fruit and economic importance. Have you noticed that the red color? What is the use of red color in tomato? Could you guess? Yes. The red color is due to the presence of lycopene. Lycopene is actually a keratin derivative. Do you know that keratin have a name or a nickname or a pen name called shield pigment because it protects the fruit from the photooxidative degeneration? That is what adapted here. As lycopene is a derivative of keratin, it also protects the fruit, that is a tomato, from the photooxidative degeneration. And it would also have other benefits like it prevents the occurrence of head, neck, and the breast cancer, and it also prevents humans against the neurodegenerative diseases. So thank you champs. I hope that you might have learned at least a bit of information from me. Thank you one and all, and stay tuned.